Hello, my dear students. A very good morning to all of you. So, in the previous class, we were discussing about how to create a workbook. So, today, let us continue with the topic of entering data. After you have created your workbook, you have to enter something into it. So, let us see how to enter the data into the workbook. There are different ways to enter the data in Microsoft Excel. You can select an active cell or you can choose a formula bar to enter the data. So there are two ways to enter something into Microsoft Excel. Just by selecting an active cell or by choosing the formula bar to enter the data. So to enter the data in an active cell, you can just click in the cell where you want the data and begin typing. Okay, so first, if you want, for example, if you want to start typing from here, then you have to just select the active cell. You can just click here and then you can start typing. But if you want to enter the data through the formula bar, so this is the formula bar. So you have to click on the cell where you want to enter your data. Then you have to place the cursor on the formula bar and type in your formula. Press the enter key after entering the complete formula. So let us see it practically. So the first way is to enter the data in an active cell. For example, this is the active cell. You want to start type here. Then you have to select it and then you have to start typing. For example, 2700. Okay, so this is first way of selecting or typing the data. The next way is through formula bar. So first, for example, you want to type the data here. You want to type the text here. Then first you have to select this cell. After that, this is the formula bar. Go to the formula bar and start typing here. So here already the person have written 23,700. And when you will click on the enter key from the keyboard, here 23,700 is written. So here the person have selected this cell. So you can see that 23,700 is written in the formula bar and it is automatically typed here. Okay, so there are two ways to enter the data. First, by selecting the active cell and second, by typing it in the formula bar. Now the next topic is of saving a workbook. After you have created a workbook, type some data in it. Now the third step is to save a workbook so that you can use it later on. You have two options to save a document. They are first save or save as. To save a document, click on the file menu button and select the save option. You may need to use the save as feature when you need to save a new workbook under a different name or to save it in earlier versions of Microsoft Excel. So simply if you want to save a document, you can choose the save option. But you want to save it with a new feature, you want to save it with a different name, then you have to use the save as feature. So let us see it practically. So first you have to go to the file menu button. So here you will see that the file menu button is there. When you will click on the file menu button, like this drop down menu will appear. Here you will see two options. First is save, second is save as. So first we are clicking on the save button and you will see like this save as dialog box or save dialog box will appear in front of you. If you are selecting the save option, then the save dialog box will appear. If you are selecting the save as button, then the save as dialog box will appear. So here the person have selected the save as option. Therefore a save as dialog box is opened here. Now you have to select the location where you want to save your file. Whether you want to save it in desktop, in my computers, in documents. So select the location where you want your document to be saved. After that, type your name here in the file name box. What name you want to give to your file that you have to write. After that, click on the save button and your file will get saved in the selected location with the file name given. Okay, so this is how you can save your workbook. The various steps to use the save or the save as features are listed below. First, click on the file menu and select save or save as option. A save as window will open for you. Then type the name of the workbook in the file name box. Finally, click on the save option to save the document. Okay, so using these 3 steps, you can save your file. One do and learn activity is given, so that is your homework. Please refer that activity. Okay, so let us move toward the next topic, that is opening a workbook. You have already created a workbook, you have already entered the data in the workbook, you have already saved your workbook. Now you want to open the existing workbook again. You want to open it, you want to perform some changes, or you want to see that how your workbook looks. Then you can open it. So the various steps to open an existing workbook which is already created by you are listed below. Go to the File menu button and select the Open option, and you will see a open window will get appeared. Browse to locate your workbook in the Looking box. Click on the title of the workbook and choose Open to open it. Let us see it practically. So first you have to go to the File menu button that is available here. From that, select the third option, that is Open. When you will click on the Open option, like this, Open dialog box will appear in front of you. Browse or select the name of your file. For example, if you have created the file with the name Income, then you can select this file and click on the Open button. Okay, so you have to browse, you have to search your file with the name of the file, you have to locate it. After selecting the file, you have to click on the Open button which is available here, and you will see that the file which is created by you will get opened. Okay, so today we will stop with here. In the next class, we will continue with the topic of types of data. Okay, so for now, bye bye. Study well. Have a great day ahead.